D-Link DSS-200G series smart PoE switches. Power over Ethernet technology allows businesses to easily connect IoT devices by transmitting power and data simultaneously to expand services. However, most small and mid-sized enterprises are faced with the lack of a dedicated IT personnel, and system failures can result in operational downtime and significant losses if not promptly resolved. D-Link's new DSS-200G smart PoE switches deliver high reliability and versatility with innovative designs for your business network without the need for trained technicians. The DSS-200G series can be quickly configured for various applications with a simple flick of a dip switch. For example, activating the Extend feature can extend PoE connections for remote cameras from 100 meters up to 250 meters for significant savings in deployment costs. 6 kV surge protection is provided for all Ethernet ports and power supply to prevent electrical damage and ensure uninterrupted network operation. A dedicated port can trigger alarms and warning lights when abnormal network events are detected, allowing real-time troubleshooting to minimize network downtime. A wide range of smart PoE capabilities are available to ensure uninterrupted power delivery to keep your PoE devices up and running. PoE status LEDs are also available to let you quickly determine your remaining PoE power budget. The DSS-200G series can be configured for standard operation or surveillance mode. The DSS-200G auto-detects IP cameras via OnViv and surveillance mode and generates a device topology for easy monitoring and maintenance. With smart capabilities, enhanced reliability, and simplified manageability, the DSS-200G series is the ideal solution for SME operators with PoE and surveillance needs. To discover how the DSS-200G series smart switches can enhance your PoE and surveillance network, please contact your local D-Link representative or visit our website.
D-Link, one connection, infinite possibilities.